Join me today as we take a look at this spectacular 15th century chateau for sale in Tours, France. This beautiful home is listed at 13,300,000 euro, has 23 bedrooms, 23 bathrooms. It's 14,068 square feet, and it sits on 17 acres. This home has been completely restored in 2017, and I think they did a gorgeous job. It really looks like a chateau. This home is currently a 4-star hotel. So if you were interested in starting a business, you could walk right into an already existing business. And this home also has a swimming pool, several outbuildings, and it has a chapel. Now, the chapel does need restoration, so you could have a fun project like that. I hope you have enjoyed this gorgeous property as much as I have. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.